Okay, welcome back. So the flavor that we're going to do today is Xiang Fish-Fragrant Flavor. It's a really interesting flavor. Very famous. It's one of the base flavors in Sichuanese cooking. So this flavor is interesting. The reason why, so yi means fish, okay, and xiang means fragrance. So yi xiang means fish fragrant. So the reason why it's actually called fish fragrant flavor is because the flavor is actually based on an old method of seasoning fish in the traditional like Sichuanese culinary cooking, because like Sichuan is a landlocked province, so they actually sometimes used to get fish from outside from other areas of China and stuff like that were close to the sea, and they used to use a certain spice mix to preserve the fish. So it's quite interesting where you see a lot of we like fish fragrant, like where's the fish, because it's not often used with fish. I mean, you can in some ways, but it's usually used with pork or chicken, used with vegetables, or used in cold salads. So the base of this flavor is pao jiao. Pao jiao is pickled Sichuanese chilies. It's salty, it's sweet, it's sour, it's spicy, and it's got like a heavy fragrance of garlic, ginger, and also spring onion. There's also a touch of fermented chili bean paste in there, but not too much. This is not really particularly spicy. It sits in the kind of mid-range. A very famous dish that's used for this is the Xiang which is the fish fragrant eggplant dish that we've already put up on Wok Drop. So please go back and check it out if you want a deeper insight into this flavor. 鱼香味型